Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject reasoning, chapter number 13, numbers series number 2, and this is our lecture number 15. Number series 2. So beta, in our last video lecture we have already learned what is number series, and we have done the second form of number series, in which we have to find out the next number in the series. So बेटा, हमारा जो लास्ट लेक्चर वीडियो लेक्चर था उसके अंदर हमने नंबर सीरीज के बारे में पढ़ा था और हमने उसकी सेकेंड फॉर्म सीखी थी जिसमें हमने नेक्स्ट नंबर सीरीज निकालना सीखा था. ओके, सो टुडे वी विल लर्न थर्ड टाइप ऑफ नंबर सीरीज. टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट the third form of number series, that is a complete numerical series is followed by an incomplete numerical series. You need to solve that incomplete numerical series in the same pattern in which the complete numerical series is already given. ठीक है बेटा, आपको एक complete numerical series दी होगी, ठीक है, और आपने उसी को फॉलो करना है और जो इनकम्प्लीट न्यूमेरिकल सीरीज गिवन है उसे आपने कंप्लीट करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. लेट्स सी हाउ. नाउ बेटा, here it is given in an example that complete series is 5, 10 and 15 and incomplete series is dash 25 dash. Okay, so first of all we will see what are the options. A 20 and 30, B 24 and 26, C 21 31 and in D 20 and 31. So now beta, we have to find out which numbers will come in these dash. Okay, and we have to complete this incomplete series. So let's see solution of this. Complete series are 5, 10 and 15. So here these are in increasing order. So first of all we will solve its first two numbers and we have to find out the difference of these two numbers. So let's start. In given complete series, difference between first two numbers are 10 minus 5. Because 10 is greater number, so 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So when we add 5 plus 5, then we get 10. Okay, and 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Understood? So in the same way, we have to complete these series. So here we have given 25. Okay beta, and we have to find out one number before 25 and one number after 25. So here first of all we will deduct 5 from 25 to get this number. So when we deduct or subtract 5 from 25, we will get 20. Okay, and when we will add 5 to 25, we will get 30. So our numbers are 20 and 30. So the difference of these series are 5. Understood? So 20, 25 and 30. Here the missing numbers are 20 and 30 and it is in option number A. So option A is correct. Understood? Now today's homework questions are, you need to solve these sums which I am giving you. And number 1, complete series is given 12, 24 and 36 and incomplete series are 60, 72 and then dash. So here what you have to do beta, first you need to find out the difference of these two numbers, and whatsoever is the difference, you have to add that difference in 72. Okay, to find out the next. Options are A 84, B 85, C 61 and D 48. In question number 2, complete series is given 14, 28 and 42, and incomplete series are 56 dash 84. So again you have to find out the difference first of all, and then you have to fill this blank. And our options are A 83, B 70, C 84 and D 72. Now in question number 3, complete series is given 16, 14 and 12, and here you can see that numbers are in decreasing order. ठीक है, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर बेटा, ग्रेटर नंबर में से हम स्मॉलर नंबर को माइनस करते हैं, ओके, टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस. एंड इनकम्प्लीट सीरीज आर 10, then dash and dash. Options are A 11 and 9, B 10 and 8, C 9 and 7 and D 8 and 6. In question number 4, complete series is given 50, 45 and 40, and incomplete series are dash, 10 and 5. Options are A 15, B 35, C 51 and D 10. In question number 5, it is given complete series 10, 20 and 30, and incomplete series are 15, dash and 35. Okay beta, and options are A 15, B 20, C 25 and D 30. Understood? You need to solve first of all the difference between first two numbers, and whatsoever is the difference, then you have to do it in incomplete series. Okay beta? Now the homework discussion of chapter number 13, number series number 2 and lecture number 14. Here in question number 1, I had given you 12, 24, 36 and then dash. Options are A 48, B 49, C 50 and D 51. I told you earlier that first of all you need to find out the difference, okay, of first two numbers. So here first two numbers are 12 and 24. So let's start subtracting 12 from 24. So here the difference between first two numbers are 12. Okay, and 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Okay, and 24 plus 12, because numbers are in increasing order, so we are adding the numbers. Okay, so 24 plus 12 is equal to 36. Now again to find out this number, we have to add 12 to 36. So when we will add 36 plus 12, our answer is 48. So this answer is in option number 8, A. So our option A is correct, 48. Understood? Now in question number 2, 14, 28, 42 and dash. So here our options are A 54, B 55, C 56 and D 57. So again we have to find out the difference between first two numbers, and the difference between first two numbers are 28 minus 14 is equal to 14. So when we add 14 plus 14, that is equal to 28. Okay, and 28 plus 14 is equal to 42. So to find out the next number, we need to add 14 into 42. So 42 plus 14 is equal to 56, and it is in option number C. Next number is 56 and option C is correct. Understood? Now in question number 3, it is given 16, 14, 12 and dash. and you can see the numbers are in decreasing order, means number हमारे बेटा कम हो रहे हैं, पहले 16 था, then 14, then 12, and we have to find out the next. And options are A11, B10, C9 and D8. Okay, so first of all we need to find out the difference between first two numbers, and that is 16 minus 14 is equal to 2. So here when we subtracted 2 from 16, then we get 14. So 16 minus 2 is equal to 14, and 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. And to find out this number, we need to subtract 2 from 12. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So our next number is 10. Okay, and it is in option number B. So option B is correct, 10. Now in question number 4, it is given 50, 45, 40 and then dash. Again you can see numbers are in decreasing order, and options are A38, B37, C36 and D35. So here we need to find out the difference first of all of first two numbers. So 50 minus 45 is equal to 5. Okay, so difference between first two numbers are 5. So when we subtract a 5 from 50, we get 45. Okay, and 45 minus 5 is equal to 40. So to find out this number, we have to subtract 5 from 40. 40 में से हमें 5 को minus करना होगा. So 40 minus 5 is equal to 35. Okay, so our next number is 35, and it is in option number D. So option D is correct, 35. Okay, now in question number 5, it is given 10, 20, 30 and then dash. So here you can see the numbers are in increasing order, and our options are A32, B34, C38 and D40. So here first of all we will find out the difference between first two numbers. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. So when we add 10 plus 10, we get 20. Okay, and 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. And to find out this number, we have to add 10 to 30. So 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. So our answer is 40. है ना, next number हमारा क्या आना चाहिए, 40. Okay, and it is in option number D. So option D is correct. Understood, beta? Thank you.